forever and ever, then we would. Long as the guys will let us keep this loving going till we're all loved out, till we're riding on the edge of new millennia. Cause we don't want it to ever end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to ever end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine. So hard to walk our separate ways when all we ever said was how we make it someday. Every time I get up to leave, all these consequences come and linger on me. Cause we don't want it to be the end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to be the end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? feeling. Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the side.